Hi everyone, today we will talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of Olymp to read weekly constants. Here in this page we click on apps, default apps, app settings. Then in this list you will search about the application of Olymp to read and you will enter. Here in this page of app info, you will click on Forcestop and you will click OK. Here you will enter to the window of storage. Then we click on Clear Cache. Here we go to Play Store. You will search about Olymp to read and you will enter. Here you will uninstall your app and you will install it again. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next